Java really works on its, look and feel of the bike. Oh wow, yeah. Like taking out the bike early in the morning when everyone else is sleeping. I just cannot explain how good that feels. I mean, sometimes I feel like, okay, how many Sundays am I gonna go to these rides? But then, whenever I get out, I want to plan another one because it is very, very refreshing. There is no better way to connect with your city than to head out on a morning ride. ज़्यादा हो गया शायद बट दैट इज़ व्हाट आई थिंक से क्या होता है ना सुबह सुबह रोड होते हैं खाली एकदम खाली कोई ऐसा रिस्क वाली बात नहीं होती है कि भाई तुम्हें बार बार रोकनी पड़ेगी या फिर पेडेस्ट्रियंस का रिस्क है. That is why you see like in the morning so many cyclists just head out for the road. They can do it in the middle of the day as well, but the conditions aren't that suitable. If you own a big ass machine, you need good road conditions in order to take it out. Otherwise, it just stays in your garage. What the motto of this ride is, we are going for a cafe called Flywheel Cafe Roasters. This was Sunil's idea to like go there, and he has been there before. He said there is some off-road track over there which they have prepared, and you can like try out your bike's suspensions over there. I mean, just do a bit of off-roading and with some snacks. So, anyways, we'll see कैसा रहता है ये आगे जाके. अभी तो what where we are going, where are we going right now? We are going to the meeting point. The meeting point where all the riders will assemble at once, and then we will start off from there. I think we have 15 names, and about 2 3 have already backed off, or maybe more. And it's really difficult to get out in the morning. So I am very like curious how many will we find out over there. Oh man, but just listening to this bike roaring at the back of my head, inside the helmet, on the saddle, man, this is a copter. This bike is a copter. I just, you know, no matter what new bike I, step onto, whenever I come back to this one, it always greets me with ease. That is the beauty, that is the character of my bike. And as of now, like it has done about 100, oh no, not 100, 10,000 kilometers here and there. And I haven't had any major issues with the bike till now. It has run very smoothly. It has served everywhere I have taken it out. I have been on it to the mountains. I have been on it to the desert. I have driven it in the city. I have tried commuting daily on this. Main. It really is a reliable machine in any of those circumstances. Well, I have been thinking recently to make a separate video about my experience with this bike. But then, why make a separate video when you can watch me go there and I can talk about it right now? Maybe I'll try to make a separate video and with a proper shoot. But till then, just hear me out. There are a few things that I think I really like in this bike. The first is the reliability that I was just talking about. The second is the gearing ratio. Now, contrary to what I have heard in the market and like on the news, on YouTube, every reviewer just kind of you know uh, criticizes the bike because on its you know the gearing ratio. They say it's not spaced out well enough. They say you have to switch gears very often. See, the thing is, this bike wants you to ride. Just hear me out. This bike wants you to ride. Okay, you need to just ring that throttle, just turn its gears to take out every possible bit out of this bike. Just rev it out. You know, that's when you will connect with this bike. It's not for the faint of heart. It demands that you drive it really roughly. I can use the word roughly because I don't really care how much throttle I'm giving. It is so linear in its delivery that I mean it just moves just as much as I rev. Nothing more, nothing less. No unpredictability at all. That is why I am smitten by this machine. So that was my this small review for now. Let's get back on the ride. We have reached this place is called Mall of India, DLF Mall of India. It is in Noida, Sector 18. This was my stupid idea to meet up over there. If you see just to the right, there is across the road there is this another mall called Gardens Galleria. Now what we have to do is eventually when everyone will assemble here, we are going to take a U-turn, right? So what's the point? I could have just made that the meeting point. Anyways, let others come first. We will see uh, who all are coming really. I have been very curious.
चिपका रहा है क्या इसमें? तो चलो ना, फूड पंप भी चलते हैं फिर।
चल चल नहीं सब चल रहे हैं चलते कितना कितना चल जाएगा
बहुत चलेगा भी तो 3 रिजर्व होती है।
हाँ तो रास्ते में मिल जाएगा पहले पहुंच जाते हैं वापसी में ना करा दें 16 किलोमीटर है भाई
16 किलोमीटर है क्या तेल?
हाँ
यहाँ से दूर नहीं है देख, इसमें दिखा नहीं रहा क्या? नहीं है इसमें, बिल्कुल भी नहीं है।
हटो भाई की बाइक से हट जाओ भाई
3 तू चलाएगा? अबे हट यहाँ से।
अरे हटो यार। ये भाई छोटे हाइट वालों के लिए जन्नत है ये
हाँ,
भाई।
तू ले 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 ले।
और जिसको सर्दी में ठंडी लगती है ना उसके लिए भी जन्नत है।
चले ना इसमें नहीं देना।
क्या
चले
कह रहा?
स्टार्ट करने के थ्रोटल देना।
नहीं, नहीं,
चले
चलो चलो।
सीधा ये बहन से चल।
इसका एग्जॉस्ट नोट किया जाए।
पहला आगे बाकी पीछे ना।
एक आगे बाकी पीछे। सुनील आगे चलो आप। चलो ना बहन जी।
भाई रोक। गियर पे बंद कर दी इसने, मत दे इसे।
हट। चलो भाई। ओ भाई ये अलग ही यार इसका पोस्चर तो भाई।
ऐसे ही रहता है।
पैर आगे हैं।
हाँ और
कमर भी झुकी हुई
ये भी
है।
ऐसा।
यार सीबी का साउंड ना अभी भी मस्त लग रहा है। लाइक सुनील जस्ट पास बाय ऑन हिज हाइनेस भाई। ये अपने जो राइट साइड में है अपने आकाश भाई हैं। अभी मैं उनकी बाइक चला रहा हूँ। दिस इज जावा 42 बॉबर। तो यार लगे हाथ में इसका भी एक राइड रिव्यू काइंड ऑफ कर लेता हूँ। फील तो मस्त हो रहा है बैठ के बाइक पे ना। इट फील्स लाइक अ टॉय। रियली इट फील्स लाइक अ टॉय। इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल बाइक। लाइक यार इनके डर्टी जोक्स ही नहीं खत्म होते हैं। एनीवेज, ओह मैन, दिस इज नाइस। दिस इज holy fuck. This is like very different. I will have to dim the exhaust volume down a lot in the post. That is what I can make out right now. It's got to be very loud because there is no rear seat. That is one downside and upside both for this bike. That there is no rear seat. It's a single seater machine. Anyways, I think I'm not sure whether it is a single cylinder. I think it is a single with a dual exhaust, dual pipe exhaust. So sounds really amazing, but nothing compared to my CBR. It cannot compete with that bike, and I'm not comparing. They both serve many they both serve different purposes. But since I was just riding my bike, so the difference is huge. I'm sure Akash, who's riding my bike, is going to be very, peaceful and at ease on that bike, going coming from something like this. लाइक इसमें ना फुट पैक्स भी थोड़े से आगे हैं एंड हैंडल बार भी थोड़ा सा आगे है। देन वो जो फील है वो मतलब मेरे लिए आई एम राइडिंग अ बॉबर फॉर द फर्स्ट टाइम एंड देर आर देर आर मैनी bikes that are very, you know, appealing to the eye, no matter their performance or whatever. It is a like it. I think it has 28, 30 kind of figure in its BHP. 20 से 25 से 30 है शायद, मुझे जहाँ तक लगता है इसका जो पावर फिगर्स हैं. ओह मैन, क्या सुबह हो रही है यार. तो हम लोग अभी बस पहुंचने ही वाले हैं. ये जो कैफ़े का मैं बात कर रहा था, फ्लाई व्हील कैफ़े रोस्टर्स, देखते हैं ये कैफ़े कैसा होगा. ओके, आई नो दिस प्लेस. दिस इज to the right, to the left there is this sector 168 Noida. I think we are going in sector 122. I'm not really sure where, in which sector exactly this oh man. Oh, this bike is not an off-roader, not at the least. Can't even stand up on this bike. You can just, lift your bum a little to save your ass, but you can't stand up and, save save the six packs. Oh man, such a, you know, refreshing feeling, this, especially like getting on this bike. It is a very peppy machine. I have really enjoyed on the highway, but not here. I'm not enjoying it at all right now. Oh man. Okay. Okay, we are about to reach, I think, the location should be very close by. And this is the place. Flywheel Cafe Roasters. Hi baby. Oh wow. Nice. The whole name unfolding on the screen right now. That's a clever way to, do your promotions. Okay, उतना खैर छोड़ो.
इतने से पैच में भाई. भाई मसाज ही हो गई. बहुत ज्यादा भाई. टॉय है भाई.
तो हम यार वो कैफ़े रोस्टर्स में तो हमें बस चाय ही मिल पाई। हम वहाँ से निकल गए और ये पास ही में अथेका करके एक साउथ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट है। वी हैव कम हियर एंड as you can see it's a beautiful little place, you know, hidden deep in Noida. So maybe whenever you are here, you're this side, you can check out this cafe called Cafe Atheka. It's a South Indian restaurant, and I think it is in Sector 144. You can search that on Google. Oh wow, what a toy, really!
प्रॉब्लम इसमें पता क्या है, बीच में जो कट्स है वो नहीं मिलेंगे। बीच में जो कट्स है ना, मतलब जो उसके
पीलू भाई ये
इसमें पता है कि क्या आएगा क्या नहीं आएगा इसमें। वरना भी बहुत सही, वो सीधा मना कर देते नहीं होगा।
ट्यूबवेल मैंने एक पिक्चर अपलोड करा था ना, वो स्टार ब्रदन थोड़ा रेडियो पर
वो अगल बगल में है, और एक ही ओनर का है, वो जावा भी उसी का है।
हाँ, ये बताना था कि उसी बंदे का है।
हाँ।
ये 30 bhp है, 30 bhp।
पावर होनी चाहिए यार। हो गया? इंजन से ज़्यादा कंफर्टेबल लगा मुझे।
यार ये मैंने राइजर लगवा रखे
सीट इतनी बोनी लगती है, ऐसा लगता है कि पीछे को चले जाऊंगा मैं।
हाँ, इसकी सीट मैंने अभी कुछ दिन पहले थोड़ी सी स्कूप कराई थी,
अच्छा,
तो उससे भी तुम्हें फ़र्क लगा होगा।
ये एक्सप्रेसवे किस तरफ है? इस साइड से जाना है?
एक्सप्रेस वे इधर से
इधर से?
चल वो अपने आप रीड आउट हो जाएगा।
मेरा वो नहीं लगाओ ना, अभी आप उसको भी लगा लो, तो जावा में मैं क्लियर कर देता
ये मैं लगा देता हूँ।
हूँ। एक बार और कम करूँगा, पेट्रोल पंप देखे तो मेरे लिए सोच लेगा। अगर यहाँ अंदर से पता तेरे को रास्ता
कहाँ का?
उस तरफ
पड़पनगंज
अक्षरधाम, वहाँ पटपड़गंज की तरफ
अंदर से जाने का फ़ायदा क्या है?
पूछ
एक्सप्रेस
रहा
वे
हूँ
पे
मैं, तेरे को
नहीं,
पता है कि नहीं?
पता तो
नहीं
है,
तो-
पर क्या करोगे?
नहीं तो हम फिर ऐसे घूम के नहीं जाएंगे ना, सीधा यहीं से निकल जाएंगे।
यार एक्सप्रेस वे पे चलते हैं ना, भगाएंगे ना। अबे क्या भेज रहा है? अच्छा यही है, ठीक। डायरेक्शन वो वाली आ गई भाई।
प्लांट पट्टी हुई यूट्यूब के चैनल पे जब से रिव्यूज डाल रखे हैं ना उल्टे सीधे।
गाना बजाया जाए।
भेज दी आपको?
ठीक है, मैं चल रहा हूँ फिर। सभी जा रहे हैं, बस एक वो उसको छोड़ के, 2 बंदे छोड़ के 4 बंदे जा रहे हैं। चल भाई चल।
हेड साउथ वेस्ट, इतने पढ़े लिखे होते हैं हम तो साला ये चला रहे होते हैं
हम
होंडा।
साले चाइना में थोड़ी ना, वहाँ चलती है ये वाली डायरेक्शन।
साउथ वेस्ट असेंबल करना एक बार और।
1 हाँ 2 3 गो गिराना नहीं ना भाई
Let's go. Oh man, this bike, Aprilia RS457. My experience on this bike was not so great. However, the machine is really promising. As you can see, it stalled, and as it was a test ride vehicle, they did not fill up the petrol in it properly. So it ran out of petrol within like 100 meters from the showroom. And this is where I'm just trying my best to get it up to speed, but to no luck. However, within those 100 200 kilometers, I can say that the bike has some pull, but unless I take it out on the highway for a spin, can't say for sure what this bike is like. People are comparing this, and people are saying that this is an upgrade from a, like, if you're coming from a GT 650, for like that bike, you are upgrading if you are moving to a 457 cc engine from Aprilia. in my opinion, I think the way it looks, especially there is this white colored one that I have seen. It looks dope. It looks like it means business. I- This one also is not so bad. Let's see if we have some. Okay, whatever. This won't start, buddy. This is not going to start. Oh man. Let's wait for these people to come. Oh, holy. This looks top. The bike looks amazing to me. While, I'm looking at the screen, it's beautiful. Oh my, oh my god. This is not my cup of tea, but whoever is gonna looking for a bike, which means business like you, I'm sure this will corner really well. I'm sure it will pick up speeds very, very quickly. I have driven another Aprilia. I used to have one SR 150, the scooter that they sell. So I can say for sure that Aprilia, anything that comes from Aprilia, knows how to pick up speed. So they do speeds really well. They do exhausts really well. Especially that SR 150, it sounds dope for a scooter.
स्टार्ट नहीं हो रही यार, देखो। ये 100 मीटर में थोड़ी ना कम हो जाएगा यार, ज़्यादा नहीं है चाहे। तो मैं चलता हूँ।
ऐसे लेके जा, मैं लेके आ रहा हूँ। ऐसे लेके जा, चला के जा, मैं लेके आ रहा हूँ। कल जब जाएगा
ये कौन सी है? अरे आप चला लो, पीछे बैग है ना यार।